This is a quick video on how to do a percentage adjustment to your parkrun results file. Why would you want to do this? Typically, you might want to do it if you get a short course because you've done some kind of course adjustment. I've done this percentage adjustment at one of my venues before, and I've heard this weekend there was another example of a short course. I'm not here to lecture you. If you speak to your ambassador or HQ on occasions like this, they'll probably just tell you to give everyone a 59-59. That's kind of the default policy. But if you're comfortable working with Excel or your preferred spreadsheet program, you can do this. It is an option. So here's an example of a Junst stopwatch timer file. We've got 73, 74 runners there. And you can see this format. The time hasn't been set in this one, so it's showing we're starting at midnight. I believe if you set the date and time, the middle column will show absolute time, and the right hand column shows you the split times, which is what the Webfms picks up on. So we can just copy this. I'm going to take it into Excel through the text import wizard, delimited. I'm going to use a comma for that to give us our split times. And then the example I heard of this weekend was, unfortunately, there was a lap miscounting incident at a parkrun that did 4k instead of 5k, so we want to multiply all these times by 1.25 to give us an extra 25%, and we can just fill down. And then we don't need to reformat this file, which is quite lucky. If we just save this, you will need to save it as either a text file or a CSV file in order for Webfms to be able to read it. We'll save it as book 1. And if we go and have a look, you can see it does look different. We've got an extra column here, but it's fine because Webfms will just read the right hand most column for our times. So let's go in now. Create an event. We get a warning because it's Monday, never mind. Upload our file, and we want book 1, which is our timer file, and I've got a barcode file here as well. And they will load up without errors. And you can see, whereas our original file, A201 was the fastest time, in our adjusted file with 25% on 22:31, and that's what Webfms gives us. So it is possible. I'm not saying you should do this, just letting you guys know you can if you're comfortable working with Excel and spreadsheets. Alright, have fun.